Have you ever wondered how databases actually store, update, and remove information? In this video, we're going to explore SQL data manipulation language, commonly known as DML. These are the core SQL commands used to manage data inside database tables. Let's start with the insert command. The insert into statement is used to add new records into a table. For example, imagine you have a student database. If you want to add a new student record, you can use the insert into command, followed by the table name and the values you want to insert. The syntax usually looks like this. Insert into table underscore name column underscore names values. This command helps developers and database administrators store new information efficiently. Whether it's customer details, employee records, or product information, insert is one of the most commonly used SQL commands. Next, let's look at the update command. The update statement is used to modify existing data in a table. Suppose a student changes their last name or a customer updates their address. Instead of deleting the entire record and adding a new one, we simply update the specific information. The syntax typically includes the table name, the column you want to change, and a where clause to specify which row should be updated. Without the where clause, every row in the table could be modified. So it's very important to use it carefully. Now let's move on to the delete command. The delete from statement is used to remove records from a database table. For example, if a student record is no longer needed, you can delete it using a delete query. The syntax is straightforward. Delete from table underscore name, where condition. Again, the where clause is extremely important because it ensures only the intended records are removed. If omitted, all rows in the table may be deleted. Together, insert, update, and delete form the foundation of SQL data manipulation language. These commands allow users to create dynamic applications where information can constantly change and stay up to date. DML commands are used in almost every modern application, from banking systems and e-commerce websites to social media platforms and school management systems. Understanding these commands is essential for anyone learning SQL, database management, data analysis, or back-end development. By mastering DML, you gain the ability to control and manage data effectively within relational databases. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing SQL and follow for more tips to strengthen your database skills.